Oh my gosh. Look, Mummy.
That's nice.
Something's inside somewhere.
Whoa.
This is magic. Willow's around. Look. It's... Oh my gosh. Dino. Oh my gosh.
It's mini
Oh my God.
mystery trunks.
Let's open it. Yeah. Look at the dino.
Hello, Willow.
Are you in the pocket?
Let's go and open it, shall we?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, pink, blue, purple.
There's a bonus box. Let's see the magic key.
It's got the heart.
Box, okay? Okay. What's inside?
It's a wing.
That one is a key ring.
Next,
Should we open the next one? What colour next?
this one, Willow.
We've got a...
It's a rabbit. What is that, Mommy?
Let's have a look. Ah,
What is that?
it's a little rabbit key ring.
It's like that one is a wing.
Yes. What colour next?
This one,
What colour's that?
pink. Key.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. It's a bag.
Shall we open the bag?
What's it? I feel something. Feel him. Soft.
Is it?
No, feel it first.
Okay. Feel it.
Look, Mummy.
That's nice.
Something's inside somewhere.
The top off. What's it?
It's a bracelet.
Oh wow.
It's little on there.
Oh, that's a charm, is it, to go on it? Well done, Willow.
Is.
Oh, and so is that. They're charms. They're not key rings, they're charms for the bracelet, aren't they? That's lovely.
Yeah, I trimmed it.
That's right. Wow, right.
Let's open that one.
Okay, what colour is this one?
Blue.
Good girl.
Magic blue.
Magic blue.
This is magic. This is chocolate. That's not chocolate. Hey, it's purple.
It's got a purple heart on it, hasn't it?
Yeah, it is. Open it for me.
Okay.
What is that? Ah!
That's it, well done.
It's a bag. Say another bag. Let's open that. Fill it.
Oh, that's nice.
No, fill it. I need you to fill it.
Okay.
What's inside? What's inside of this one? It's a cake.
Is that another charm for your bracelet?
It is.
Willow, that is so cool. We can play future games with these, can't we? We keep these forever, these boxes. So Mummy can hide things in them for Willow, can't I? Yeah? Hide little surprises in them for you. So this is a bonus
Bunny
box.
box. No, the bonus box.
That's right.
Let's open it. What's inside? Shake it. I hear that.
I do, something's inside.
Hot monkey. Walk monkey.
Woohoo!
Open it. Fill it, monkey. Fill it, mummy.
Okay.
Come on, Kay. Look.
Oh dear. He's had enough.
I see something. It's for that.
What did it? Let's see. It's Diana. Willow, it's Diana. Of all of these ones that you could have got, you got Diana. You
It's
lucky
for that. It's
girl.
for that.
Hey?
It's for this.
Is it for that as well? Willow, this is so cool. You've got a Diana bracelet.
It's the end.
Oh, that's okay though. Because look at all these boxes you've got to play with as well. Your secret trunks that you can play with forever. Bye guys, see you in the next video.
Subscribe. Go. A like.
That's a wrap.
That's a poo. Like and subscribe to Willow as well.